Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video for you today that will show you how to make your own logo for free. So the browser-based piece of software that we're going to be utilizing to do this is called Canva. And to access Canva, all you need to do is click the link in the description for this video, and that will take you to your own free trial version of the software. So there's very few restrictions in the trial version. To get the full pro version, you obviously need to pay, and it's basically you just get access to like a wider range of templates. It is a template-based system, so it's very highly recommended for beginners and people who aren't graphic designers, but it's also suitable for those people as well. It's got advanced features if you need them, but if you type, when you first log into Canva, if you type in the word logo, then you'll see over 60,000 logo templates. Okay, so you can narrow down that search result by selecting some of the categories at the top and using the filters on the left-hand side. However, spend some time, looking at the logos that are there and find one which you like or which closest resembles the logo that you want. Okay, so we can see this kind of Asian-inspired one here. It looks like something out of a gaming kind of genre. I hit customize this logo, and then that opens it in the Canva editor. So here is where you can make all those modifications. You can delete things, change the background color, change the color of anything, change the font size and color, whatever you need to do. So you can see that when I select objects on the logo, the tools in the top bar change corresponding to whatever I've got selected. Okay, so if I choose that text, for example, and change the color to white or grey, you can see that that effect has taken change. And then if I double click it, you can type in whatever you need to there to replace it. So the idea is that you kind of slowly modify and evolve that logo into something that you like the look of. So if you want to get rid of that kind of teal kind of turquoise color, for example, you could do that in the image there. Or you could resize the image, delete it altogether. If you don't need text down there, select it, hit the little trash icon. And you can see that it's very easy to kind of achieve something that you want. If you need graphics, it's available in the Elements tab there. So you've got access to a big library of kind of images that you can just select and click and drag them in like that. As well as add in custom text and upload in your own images if you want to make use of them for any reason. Once you're happy with the way the logo looks, if you want to then save it, if you hit share in the top right hand corner, and then hit download, that'll then allow you to, using that download button right there, download it as a digital image file, and that'll appear on whatever device that you're using to edit the logo. That concludes the video tutorial, and like I said, there's a free trial version of Canva available to you as a link in the description for this video. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any comments or suggestions for future videos, leave them down below as well. Thank you very much.